Does your kids' craft stash look like this? Is it a mess all the time? Well, this is what mine looked like. It was time to make a change. And just like that, you're organized. Okay, maybe it's not that easy, but it definitely is easier with the Creatology Kid Storage line available at Michael's. Check out some of the pieces I have here. They're colorful, so the kids will want to use them, and they're great at containing the mess, from storing items that just might not have a home, to even containing things like finger painting and glitter in the storage trays. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can get organized with all of these pieces and how I got my daughter in on the fun. You ready? Let's get organized. The finger painting tray is the perfect place for your kids to make a mess just in the tray. My daughter Lily recently tried it out and she kept the mess in the tray and it was a total mom win. The 13-inch tray is great for keeping small items contained like sequins and even glitter. The no spill paint cup, another mom win. It's got a nice small hole for the brush. You can easily screw the top on and off, and it's easy to fit in small hands, and no spilling here. All mom wins for this mom. I love Caddy Storage. It's so easy and functional to use. I've got the storage caddy here with 3 big compartments, great for things like paint palettes, markers, and even paintbrushes. We also have the 6-cup storage caddy, which is stackable and has 6 compartments, great for things like crayons, scissors, and even colored pencils. Both caddies have easy-to-use handles that are designed for little ones' hands so they can pick up and go. We all know that we've got art supplies, craft supplies, and school supplies just floating around, right? From one bin to the next. Well, now it's time to get that mess under control. So we have the 2.5 quart tote, which I like and is great for these little washable paint bottles that my daughter uses all the time. It's got a lid that goes on and a nice latching system and handles so you can easily pick it up, and it's stackable. And then we've got the rectangular storage bin, which is great for all those odds and ends. I've got things like glue bottles and glitter in here, but you could even put photos, cards, notebooks, paper crafting supplies, all those odds and ends that never seem to have a home, now will have one. The book and magazine storage is so versatile. You can store things like books and magazines, or even construction paper or coloring books. Or think about using it as a snack bin in your pantry, or even to organize your child's storybooks. And there's a great label on the front, so you can label exactly what's stored in there to help your kiddos start to learn and help you organize. And it's got great handles on the front and the back so you can pick it up and go. The lap tray is probably one of my favorites because you can turn anywhere into an activity center for your kiddo. With a flat top, it makes it easy for drawing. It's even a great space to lean to read a book. It's got deep side compartments, great for books, notebooks, pencils, and even paint pens. You can take it throughout your whole house, make an activity center in the kitchen, the living room, or even take it on the car for road trips. To round out the collection, I've got the pencil box and the storage case. The pencil box is for storing pencils. It's perfectly sized to pop it in a backpack or a desk, great for school. The storage case is sized perfectly for things like stickers, stationery, and even crayons. It's got 2 latches and a handle, fit for little ones' hands to take it and go. With these products and all the other ones I showed you, they're available in multiple different colors, so you can pick your favorite color. Are you excited to get organized? Well, you can get any of these Creatology storage products at your local Michael's store or at michaels.com. And for more ideas on how to get organized in your home, make sure you visit craftboxgirls.com. Happy organizing!